Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have x cube minus 1 over x minus 1 equal to 0, where x cannot be 1. Then we have to evaluate sum s, n equal to 1 to 27, x power n plus 1 over x power n plus 1 raised to the power 27. So let's get started by writing formula of a cube minus b cube in the numerator. So we can write expansion as x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1. In the denominator, x minus 1. RHS is 0. Now x cannot be equal to 1. So we can cancel x minus 1 from the numerator and denominator. We will write x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. We can utilize quadratic formula. So I can write the coefficient of x square is 1. So a 1. Coefficient of x is 1. So b will be 1. Constant is 1. So c will be 1. Formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now I will plug in values. I will write minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 1. So we will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2. Or we can write x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 over 2. Or I can write minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2, where I is square root of minus 1. Now I can write x will be equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. Now we are getting cube roots of unity. So I can write one of our solution would be omega, then other would be omega square. Now we are applicable to apply the properties of omega. So our first property is omega cube equal to 1, and second property which we will use 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So we will use these two properties of omega, and I will plug in x equal to omega for our sum calculation. Let me write sum s. It is written here. Let me consider this is equal to an. So I will write n equal to 1 to 27 an, where an is x power n plus 1 over x power n plus 1 whole power 27. So I can write sum s will be equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to a of 27. Now I will plug in x equal to omega. So I can write an equal to omega power n plus 1 over omega power n plus 1 whole power is 27. Let us put n equal to 1. So we will get a1 value. a1 will be omega plus 1 over omega plus 1 whole power 27. Now we know that 1 over omega can be written as omega is square over omega cube. Now we know that omega cube is 1. So 1 over omega will be omega is square. So I can write omega plus omega is square plus 1 whole power 27. Now 1 plus omega is square. This is equal to 0. So I can write A1 would be 0. Now we will plug in n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So I will write A of 2 would be, I will write here omega is square plus 1 over omega square plus 1 whole power is 27. Now we know that 1 omega square can be written as omega over omega cube. Now omega cube is 1. So 1 over omega square, this is equal to omega. So I can write omega square plus omega plus 1 whole power 27. Now this is again 0. So we will get A2 equal to 0. Now I will plug in n equal to 3. So I can get A3 value as omega cube plus 1 over omega cube plus 1 whole power 27. Now we know that omega cube is 1. So we'll be getting 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole power 27. Or I can write the value of A3 will be 3 power 27. So A1 is 0, A2 is 0, A3 is 3 power 27. Now I will check for n equal to 4. N equal to 4. Let's check the value of A4. So I will be writing omega 4 plus 1 over omega 4 plus 1 whole power 27. Now omega 4 can be written as omega cube times omega plus 1 over omega cube times omega plus 1 whole power 27. Now we know that omega cube is 1. So we'll be getting omega plus 1 over omega plus 1 whole power 27. Now this is equal to A1 and A1 was 0. In the similar way, if I will calculate A5, so I will get omega power 5 plus 1 over omega power 5 plus 1 whole power 27. We can write omega 5 as omega cube times omega square plus 1 over omega cube times omega square plus 1 whole power 27. Now omega cube is 1. So we will write omega square plus 1 over omega square plus 1 whole power 27. And this is the value of A2 and will be equal to 0. So except A3, A1, A2, A4, A5, all values are 0. Now I will put n equal to 25, the second last value. So I will get A25. This will be equal to omega 25 plus 1 over omega 25 plus 1 whole power 27. Again we can write omega power 25 as omega power 24 times omega plus 1 over omega power 24 times omega plus 1 whole power 27. Now omega power 24 is omega cube whole power 8. Omega cube is 1, so value will be 1. So we'll be getting omega plus 1 over omega plus 1 whole power 27. And this is equal to A1, and A1 was 0. Similarly, if I will calculate A26, this will come out equal to A2, value will be 0. Similarly, A27, this will come out equal to A of 3, which is equal to 3 power 27. So if I will calculate the sum value, so I need to write sum S will be equal to, I will write here 9 times the value of A3. So this will be equal to 9 times 3 raised to the power 27. This can be written as 3 square times 3 power 27. Using exponent law, we will get our final answer 3 power 29. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.